What if you could identify potential issues before they become costly breakdowns? Welcome to the Smartrise Predictive Maintenance. The dashboard gives you an instant view of your monitored assets. Track active jobs, review alerts, and quickly identify equipment that may require maintenance attention. The Jobs section provides a centralized view of all monitored installations. Review job details, monitor status, and stay informed on asset performance from a single workspace. Need to review previous service activity? Maintenance logs provide a complete history of technician visits, maintenance actions, and service records for every monitored job. Review alert rules to understand the conditions that trigger maintenance alerts across your monitored assets. Configure notification rules to ensure the right people receive updates by email or SMS, helping your team respond faster and staying proactive. The Metrics dashboard provides a clear view of asset performance and operational indicators. Monitor usage trends, system activity, safety metrics, and equipment health data, all presented in an easy-to-read format that helps teams identify patterns and make informed maintenance decisions. Fault and alarm definitions provide detailed descriptions of monitored events, fault codes, and recommended corrective actions, helping technicians diagnose issues more efficiently. Manage user access, assign roles, and control permissions through the Customer Users section, keeping your organization connected and secured. Generate predictive maintenance reports that provide visibility into asset health, alert activity, and maintenance performance, giving you the information needed to make data-driven decisions. The Smartrise Predictive Maintenance platform helps you reduce downtime, improve reliability, and stay ahead of potential failures with one connected solution. Smartrise Predictive Maintenance. Monitor smarter, maintain better.